Hello everyone, in this video we are going to quickly and easily learn how to draw a mandala together. First we need to create the basic divisions. Place the compass on the point where you want to start and draw a circle at the maximum size you want your mandala to be. Next divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Now draw a smaller circle inside. You can start drawing the mandala from here, but if you want a cleaner and more precise result, it's better to divide this circle into more than 4 sections. To do this, open the compass to a fixed distance. At each intersection of the main circle and the dividing lines, place the compass and mark the space between the lines. Now connect the marked points using a ruler. This mandala is relatively small, so this number of divisions is enough. For larger designs, you'll need more divisions. Now, let's move on to designing the mandala itself. We'll start with a simple circular band. It looks more elegant if you leave a small gap between this band and the next layer by adding a thinner band. These small details really enhance the final look. Next, we draw the circular arches. Here we add another layer to give the design more depth. Finally, we complete the last set of arches. For this mandala I use a petal-shaped design, but these details can vary. With more practice, you'll gain better hand control and improve your precision. If you'd like, I can share more mandala design ideas and patterns in future videos. Don't forget, this art helps calm the mind and requires patience. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials. In the final step, we go over the design with a fine liner to darken the lines. Try to draw your pencil sketch carefully from the beginning, so you can confidently follow your lines later. And here is our finished mandala.